Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a sketch the signal example asked by a student in the comment section of Emmanuel Tutorials. So if you also have any doubts related to signals and systems or any other subjects in electronics and communication engineering, you can mention them in the comments of any of our videos and we'll try to upload a video explaining that. Also, if you have not subscribed to Emmanuel Tutorials yet, do subscribe and do like and share this video with your friends in need. And if you have not checked out the join button, do check it out below the Emmanuel Tutorials channel name and support us. So let's start. The question that is given is you have to find out the output signal for u of t minus 1 multiplied by u of 2 minus t plus u of 2 minus t. This is all that was given. You have to first sketch each of these signals, then the multiplication and then the addition. So what I have done is, instead of taking it as it is, I have rewritten the expression. So it will be u of t minus 1 into u of minus t plus 2. Just interchange the positions, the value is going to be the same, plus u of minus t plus 2. First, what I have done is drawn u of t minus 1. Now u of t minus 1, u of t is the signal which is used here. So all our unit step signals with time shifted and scaled or reversed versions. So here what you're going to doing is, you know that unit step signal is a signal which has amplitude 1 and goes from 0 to infinity. Now when you shift it by 1 and when it is a minus sign, it means delay. So you're going to shift it to the right by 1. So what we have done is shifted the simple unit step to the right by 1. So the signal starts from 1. Now next signal what we have is u of minus t plus 2. Now this can be reused for both. Here two operations are taking place. One is time shifting and one is time reversal. So we know that always we will perform time shifting first. We have shifted the unit step signal by 2 and this is an advanced version. So advancing the unit step by 2 means what will happen? It will start from minus 2, right? So this will be u of t plus 2 and now you will perform the scaling or time reversal. It can be also called as scaling by minus 1. So what you're going to do? Reverse it around the y-axis. So that will be just the mirror image of this or this signal which I have drawn. So you're going to just rotate it along the vertical axis. So instead of starting from minus 2, the signal will start at minus infinity and will end at plus 2. So this is what our signal will look like for u of minus t plus 2. Now what is given in the expression? You are going to multiply both these signals. So by multiplying both these signals, what are you going to get? The signal is 0 for the first signal from minus infinity to plus 1. So if you are going to multiply it by anything, the resultant signal is going to be 0. So that is what we have drawn below. Also, from 1 to 2, you can see that there is a non-zero value for both the signals. So from 1 to 2, for the first signal the amplitude is 1. For second signal also the amplitude is 1. So 1 into 1 is going to give us 1. So it's going to be a step signal from 1 to 2. Continuous step. And from 2 to infinity, you can see the second signal's amplitude is 0 continuously. So multiplying it by anything is going to give us 0. So in our resultant signal, we have shown that it is a 0. So this is the resultant signal for multiplication of u of t minus 1 with u of minus t plus 2. So we are done with the first part of the signal. Now we are going to do the second part, that is addition with u of minus t plus 2, which is the same signal, this same signal. I have not drawn it again, you can draw it again in your exams. Now what we are going to do is, this third part or this resultant that we have got, we are going to add it with u of minus t plus 2. So what is going to happen? Extreme left we have minus infinity, and at minus infinity amplitude is 1. So 1 continuously from minus infinity to plus 1, and in the second signal we have amplitude of 0 continuously from minus infinity to 0. So what is going to be 1 plus 0, which is 1. So in our resultant signal we are going to have a amplitude of 1 from minus infinity to 0. So that is what we have drawn, continuous time signal from minus infinity to 0. And at 1, if you observe, first signal's amplitude is 1 till 2, and second signal's amplitude, you can see that it is 1 similarly from 1 to 2. So that is going to give us an addition of 1 plus 1, which is 2. So that is what we have drawn. In our resultant signal, amplitude is going to be 2 from 1 to 2. And after 2, you can see that both the signals amplitude are zeros. So 0 plus 0 is going to give us 0 till plus infinity. So we have stopped our signal at this point, and after that it's going to be continuously 0. So the amplitude over here is 2, and you can also draw the points or mark the points. This is the t-axis. This is u of t minus 1 into u of minus t plus 2 plus u of minus t plus 2. Hope you understood this. If you have any doubts related to this question or any other problems in signals and systems or electronics and communication or computer science engineering, you can mention them in the comments of any of our videos, and we'll try to upload a tutorial which will explain that. Also, if you have not subscribed to Emmanuel Tutorials yet, do subscribe and like and share this video with your friends in need. Thank you for watching.